The Cell Growth Quantifier, CGQ, allows for automated and non-invasive online biomass monitoring in shake flasks, serum bottles, and other cultivation vessels. Its key component is the CGQ sensor plate, which monitors the biomass non-invasively through the wall of the cultivation vessel. The sensor is mounted under the cultivation vessel and can be used in the presence of environmental light. By applying a suitable universal adapter, the sensor plate can be used for various shake flask sizes, ranging from 100 up to 5,000 milliliters. First, the sensor is clicked into the universal adapter. And secondly, both are mounted together under the shake flask. In addition to measurements under environmental light, each flask can also be darkened with a cover to ensure highly sensitive measurements. The CGQ monitors the biomass non-invasively through the wall of the vessel by backscatter measurements. Light is emitted into the media, and the intensity of the light that is scattered back to the sensor is measured by the CGQ. The higher the concentration of microorganisms in the media, the higher the intensity of the backscattered light. This principle of measurement enables the CGQ to monitor the growth of the culture in real time. The CGQ base station collects the measurement data from all connected sensors and sends it to the CG Quant software. The software analyzes and visualizes the data of all sensors. By using the CGQ, you can now follow the growth of your cultures in real time without taking any samples. Up to 16 cultivation vessels can be monitored simultaneously with an unmatched resolution. This makes the CGQ a valuable tool for growth-based screening experiments, strain characterization, and development. In comparison to the CGQ BioR utilizes the same principle of measurement, but was specifically developed for non-invasive online biomass monitoring in bioreactors. The CGQ BioR sensor can be used with various types, sizes, and shapes of bioreactors and is attached to the outside of the vessel by an adapter.